Hey everybody, Brandon Shiga here, back again, this time for the beta app review of my app called Glamify. So, nothing much has changed in terms of the login or sign up screen. Those both operate the same still. So, I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account here. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice is that there have been a lot of UI changes. So, there's a lot more color now. Oops, sorry. There's a lot more color now, so that's a good test that the password actually gets checked. Images are showing up correctly, all kinds of things. So now you can see my feed now shows the other users that I'm currently following. So I follow Pocahontas, Aladdin, and Bob. I believe that's it. Yeah. So what you can see now is that you can see the user's picture, you can see their name, you can correctly see the picture that shows up from their from their database. So these are the actual pictures of users that I'm currently following. If you go to the Discover tab, you can see now it shows the same amount of pictures. So these are just the other random glam. There's not too many on the server right now, so there's only a couple that show up. But one thing I did actually add in the Add Glam is you can add a category now. And I will actually be adding more of these as I think of them. Well, what you can actually do is I can search for hair, or I can search for makeup, or I can search for nails. And you can see that the pictures actually show up as I'm typing these things. And then once I erase it, it just goes back to the normal amount of pictures that it shows. So this is the new Add Glam screen. So right here I added the category and actually moved the products to its own separate table. So here you can go in and add products. And then they'll go, when you save it, those will go up to the server that way instead now. So on the activity, this one didn't change too much. We did add the user picture, and the text stayed the same, so we just added some color here. I think I might actually go with a different design for this, but I'm still kind of debating that. For a profile, it now shows you a profile picture. These statistics are still static, just because I thought there were more important things in the beta that needed to get completed, and I'll be demonstrating those, and I have been demonstrating some of them. So now if you click on settings, this does pull data from the actual server, so Brandon Shega, and then if you click your photo now, you can upload that from the gallery or from the camera. This is a YouTube URL. I'm also going to be adding a blog URL. And then just a little description of yourself. So if this example is I love makeup, and then you can save it. You can log out just before. So one of the new features I did add was the option to favorite. So I really like this picture of Miko, so I can actually click on favorite, and then we'll unfavorite, or the button will change to unfavorite, sorry. And then if I log out here, and then log back in, oops. You can still see it says that that I am favoriting it. Well, the button says unfavorite. I will put a counter up here for how many comments and how many favorites, so I can keep favoriting and unfavoriting that. So yeah, so the new features that I added were the favorite button, the whole UI design, which actually might have a final form coming here soon. I added the search feature for the discovery. Right now it only searches categories, but I think I'm also going to make it be able to search things like the user, their name, their email address, the actual title of the glam, things like that. Add glam, I did add makeup, and I moved the products over to their own page. Redesign on the activity, it does import their photo. And then profile, it does import your photo, as well as all this information now stays properly and loads, and you can change your profile picture. So that is my beta review of my app Glamify. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.